Fantastic cover. Congratulations on both your films. As much of appreciation that's coming your way and the hard work you have put in, box office wise, Guzarish and both Kites did not really fare well. Are you hoping for a better 2011?
Well, Kites was in the commercial space, so that not doing well is justified, as in, I accept that. But for a film like Guzarish, it's not really fair right now to judge, because for a film like this, actually, the entire spectrum of markets is still open around the globe. So the business that is reflecting right now will be very different from what it will reflect by the end of a year. And having said that, if everything was about cost price and selling price, as I've mentioned in my words in this interview as well, that if everything was about profit and loss, then some of the most beautiful things in the world would not have existed. Sometimes money has to, sometimes money has to bow down to art. Art sometimes is something that needs to exist just because it adds to life. There is no price you can really. What I have got through this film is much more than what I've got in the past 10 years from any of my other films. So there is no way. I have to be in gratitude and not complain at all. And otherwise, he's watching. He will, he'll get angry. He'll punish me. It's like I gave you so much, and by hearing your words, if it starts to affect me, it will be wrong. So I just have to be in gratitude and say thank you all the time.
Right. Lastly, what's your one wish for 2011, the New Year's?
Wish. Well, I really don't believe in asking and wishing. I believe that you get what you deserve. So I just hope that I keep believing that, and so it'll make me work harder and harder and harder, and that's how it goes on. Yeah.
जाना चाहेंगे जब बिग बी से आपकी अग्निपथ को लेकर कुछ डिस्कशन होगा, कुछ बात हुई होगी, उनका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था और उन्होंने कुछ एडवाइस आपको की है, कुछ बातें की हैं, आई एम श्योर आपने भी उनसे कुछ बातें की होगी, बिकॉज़ इट्स रियली वेरी चैलेंजिंग रोल फॉर यू.
नहीं, I haven't really had a chance to speak with him, but
interesting. This question is interesting. I mean, when you do discuss anything with Mr. Bachchan about Agnipath.
Yeah, well, but if I do, I will let you know. Yeah, for sure.
When you're doing your next action film?
My next action film starts in February. Agnipath and then Krish. The whole year I'll be jumping around, breaking my bones.
Because we really liked your role in the first movie and the last sequence.
I'm so raring to go. I can jump now for you if you want.